Hi guys, welcome to Module 4, Surface Area and Volume. This week we're only doing the surface area and volume on a rectangular prism and cylinders. Next week it's on other objects. Surface area, guys, of a rectangular prism, that's what we're going to talk about first. Surface area means like the total area of an object. So for instance, if you had a box of Captain Crunch and you opened up that cereal box and looked at all the flaps, the surface area is all of that cardboard that is made to make that cereal box. Okay, this slide talks about the volume of a rectangular prism. Volume, first of all, is the amount of square units something takes up. In this case, if you look at this picture here, this cube has 18 cubic units. The way we find that out is you take the length times the width times the height. So 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 3 is 18. So there you go. Okay, the surface area of a cylinder, I have the formula listed here for you. 2 pi r times h plus 2 times pi times r squared. I have down below the little key. Remember, pi equals 3.14. R is a radius, h is for the height. In the surface area of a cylinder, you can think of like a can of green beans. All the metal that's made, that takes to make that can of green beans, all of that metal would be the surface. Okay, guys, for the last slide, we're going to talk about volume of a cylinder. The formula for that is pi times r squared times h, which is your height. Over here, I found this really cool example, and to see if it actually works. And of course, you guys know how much I like Diet Coke, so I thought I'd put a Diet Coke up here. So it says the Coke can has an inner diameter of 6.1 centimeters. Now we need the radius because that's what the formula asks for. And it says it has a height about 12 centimeters, okay? So it's a cylinder. Now, you want to multiply the pi times the radius squared times the height. So you would take half of the diameter to find the radius. And they did all the math for you and showed it to you. And their answer came up to 351 centimeters cubed. And if you look on the can of the Diet Coke, it's 355. So it's really, really close. But anyways, I thought this was a good example. Thank you.